Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me. You're meant to. So, guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. And also comment below on your thoughts about this current video and like for more content. So, guys, as you can all see, I'm on US30 1 hour chart. So I'll just zoom in order for you all to see. So as I said on the previous video, that I'll wait for price to come tap into my golden zone, and once price taps into my golden zone, I'll just take my selling opportunities to this low. And once the price decides to break this low and come back to retest on this low, I'll be also looking forward to take those selling opportunities to this support there. But then what happened was price came to hit my stop loss. So I'll just move to 5-minute chart in order for you all to see what happened. Sorry. So as you can all see, let me just go there. So let me just also delete this. So as you can all see, price came to my golden zone. Once it came back to my golden zone, I took those selling opportunities, hoping that price will just move to this low there. But then price just decided to come hit my stop loss on this third trade. So I also entered on this second trade because price came and respected my golden zone, and then I decided to scale in even more from this golden zone there, but then price decided to hit my stop loss. Then that was the end of my journey with US30. So unfortunately US30 didn't come to tap into this low as my TP. Instead it just went to the top side. But then what matters is profits, and what matters is that I ate from this trade, guys. So now I'll just move to my GER30 market breakdown. What I'll be doing on GER30, I'll just go to my weekly chart to identify my zones that act as my support and resistance. So let me just also zoom in on this one. So on this index GER30, I'll just identify my low and also identify my high. And then, as you all know, I'll focus on what's inside this rectangle. What's inside this rectangle, I'll be using my special tool to find my zones that act as a support and a resistance. So I did identify my first zone, and now I'll be just identifying my second zone. So guys, identifying your zones, it's very important because it helps you to see, or it helps you to know where the market will be going. So as you can all see at this current moment, that this acts as my resistance and this acts as my support, this acts as my support, this acts as my resistance. So as I can see, that price is still within the support and resistance, meaning it's still there, guys. It hasn't broken out. So meaning price it's still there. It hasn't broken out to the top side. And also it hasn't broken out from this downside. So I will just identify my zones to see where the market will be going, and I will just scale down to smaller time frames. I'll be back after identifying my zones. Thank you, guys. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I'm done identifying my zones that act as my support and resistance. And what I'll be doing, I'll be just identifying this as my resistance and also identify this as my support. Understand? So let me just also move this here. Yeah, but it's also best if I can just clone. Yeah, let me just also do that. So as you can see, guys, that I'll be just focusing on these three zones. So I'll also go down to my daily chart. On my daily chart, what I'll be focusing on is my market structure, guys. So my market structure, can see that, okay, fine, I am on an uptrend. I have my higher high, higher lows. You understand? So I'll just connect this trend, and what is important for you to know as a trader is that 2 points makes up a trend line. You understand? And I'll just focus on that one high to that low there. Okay, let me just fix this trend line. Okay, so I have the first touch and also I have the second touch there. Okay, then what I'll be also doing, I'll be just looking at, okay, I can see, guys, that okay, the market has respected this zone here, meaning now I'll have to be looking for my buying opportunities. Let me just fix this these rectangles for them to be smaller. Okay, so one thing I'll be focusing on buying opportunities, because there has been an higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now there was a higher low there, so now I'll be focusing on the market to create another higher high. You understand? So meaning now I'll be just focusing on my buying opportunities. So I'll just move down to my 4-hour chart to see anything that I might find on this chart. Okay, so there has been a rejection and a rejection, and the market closed above. So what am I looking for now? I'll be focusing on buying opportunities to the top side to break this high, meaning now I'll be creating new highs. You understand? So I have this trend there. I have this trend that was broken, but the 90% was not successful. And then what do I have again? Let me just see if I could find another trend there. Okay, it's not valid. Okay, okay. Let me just see if I could find another trend there. Okay, so I think let me just also fix that there. Okay, so meaning I'll just have to delete this one and also delete that one. Understand? Just focus on this one. So as you can all see, guys, that the market did come and respect this zone, which is my support. Understand? So one thing I'll be looking forward to as buying opportunities, but if the market if the market decides to break this trend and come back, retest on this broken support that will be acting as my resistance, I'll be looking for a 90% rule, meaning I'll be looking for my selling opportunities to come end on this start of this trend. Understand? But at this current moment, I'll be just focusing on my buying opportunities. You understand? Because price rejected 2 times on this support and it has closed above. Understand? So let me just move to my let me just see if I could find any possible entry. So I'll just take my my Fibonacci retracement to that high there. Okay, so I'm seeing that there is a golden zone here. Understand? I'm seeing that there is a golden zone here for the market to come tap into it before the selling opportunities. But then I'll just move to my 1 hour to see if I could find anything else that would be accurate for me to act on. Understand? So yeah, as you can see, guys, these zones are respected. As you can all see. So I'll just take my Fibonacci retracement from this low to that high there. Understand? And now I see that my golden zone is here. So I'll just identify this as my golden zone. I'll just identify this as my golden zone. And since price went to the top and decided to come to this golden zone, I'll be just focusing on buying opportunities to the top side. But then I'll just wait for a confirmation on a smaller time frame. And also, one of the reasons why I think this is valid, there has been a break of structure there. There has been a break of structure there. Let me just delete this. There has been a break of structure there. Understand? There has been a break of structure here. So one thing I'll just be waiting for is the market to act on this golden zone. Go to my 5-minute or 1-minute chart, look for any confirmation, and just take those buying opportunities to the top side. So yeah, this is what I'll be focusing on. Let me also just move to my 30-minute chart to see if I could be finding anything valid for me to act on. Understand? Brilliant. So if I could just take the Fibonacci retracement from this low here to that high there, I can see that there is a golden zone here. So I'll just have to see where price gets to and what price respects, you understand? Because price can just move here and manipulate everyone that entered, you understand? Because there is also a demand at some point on this area, and then allow price to move to the top side. But then I'll just see what's happening. But I'll just move to my 1 hour chart. I'll just move to my 1 hour chart and see what's happening. Okay, so one of these two golden zones, I'll wait for price to act on and then take those buying opportunities. So yeah, this is me, your mentor, BSLEC72, guys, as you all know me. So let me just do that. Let me just do this to the top side, to this high there, and then put my stop loss below this low here. Understand? So I'll be looking for my buying opportunities, and I'll come back when anything happens, guys. As you all know me, it's your one and only BSLEC72. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also like the video for more content, guys. Please, one love.